Did you know that moving is one of the top 5 most stressful life events? It's the stress of packing boxes, stress of finding a new place, and most importantly, stress of finding a reputable moving company.
If you're getting ready for a move, the first thing you want to do is start talking to your realtor, your friends, family, and ask who they used before for a moving company. A lot of people get stressed just at the fact of having to pick one. There's so many options out there. You go online, you do a search, and you're going to get dozens, sometimes hundreds of different companies. Your realtor is going to be a really good resource, your family, your friends, someone you've used before. And then from there, you can start looking at reviews online. Taking an inventory of your house. Have I used this in the last few years? Am I going to use it a few years from now? Now is the best time to get rid of stuff that you are not using. Picking the right moving company is probably one of the top stressors for people when they're first starting this process.
We've been in business since 1949. My mom and dad started the company. Typical mom and pop back then. We've graduated into becoming a national company, joined the Beacons van line family, as well as the Wheaton van line family. And we move locally, internationally, interstate, logistic moving, all kinds of moving services. And it's grown to be an award-winning company that over the years has garnered over 100 awards within our industry.
A schedule is extremely important when you're planning for a move. You want to plan ideally 1-2 months in advance if your time allotment can do so. You want to be able to give notice maybe to a landlord. You want to be able to get in touch with realtors to start preparing for staging, putting your house on the market, getting your kids situated into new schools, notifying your utilities. The more prepared you are, the better the experience you're going to have. You're not going to leave anything until the last minute or to chance. Have a checklist and keep yourself, again, being as best prepared and organized as possible is going to make for the best moving possible.
My favorite part of the job is when a customer calls in, you can hear the stress in their voice, taking the time, whether it's 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, answering their questions, explaining the entire relocation process with our company, and knowing that at the end of that conversation, their tone of voice has changed, we've addressed their questions, and they're gonna leave that call feeling like they have made progress with their move.
So there's no denying moving is stressful. Death of a loved one, divorce, and moving. 3 most stressful things that someone can go through. And we approach each move knowing that. We've all moved ourselves, but we do our best to mitigate that stress. And the best way that we can do that is making sure we're setting proper expectations at the beginning so we can manage those throughout.
When our phone rings, we know people are really saying help. They don't know what to do. They wouldn't be calling us if they knew what to do. So our goal is to help the people when they call.
If you're ready for a move, but not ready for the stress, visit their website, beaconsmovingservices.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.